Did getting my diabetes in control contribute to my weight loss, or did my weight loss help with getting my diabetes in control? I made this breakfast with 2 large eggs, 1/4 of a potato, 1 ounce of beef chorizo, half of a small avocado, 1/4 cup of homemade pico de gallo, half a teaspoon of avocado oil. The approximate nutritional value is 411 calories, 20 grams of protein, and 15 grams of carbs. The glycemic index is moderate due to the potato. I've been fasting for 12 hours, which 7 to 8 hours of that is sleep. 2 hours later, will my blood sugar spike or remain controlled? After losing 160 pounds through lifestyle changes without surgery, which I began 15 years ago and have maintained, 2 hours after eating, my blood sugar increased by 17 milligrams. An increase more than 30 milligrams would be considered a spike depending on where your blood sugar was prior to eating. So my blood sugar remained in control. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Comment below if you'd like me to test a specific food to see how it affects my blood sugar. I also have several different playlists where I talk about weight loss, diabetes, cooking, health, and wellness. Look out for my next video. Until next time. ADA recommendation for people with diabetes: a spike in blood sugar after eating, postprandial glucose, is typically considered too high if it's more than 30 to 50 milligrams above your pre-meal level, depending on the situation.